Welcome to the Anheuser-Busch Houston Brewery, part of the largest and safest beer company in the world. Our commitment to safety is always our number one priority and will always come before production and financial objectives. We are always intensively working to ensure that we maintain the highest environmental, safety, and health standards. The rules and procedures which you are about to be introduced to are very important to your safety while visiting our brewery.
Welcome to Houston!
Anheuser-Busch strictly follows all legal safety standards in addition to our own internal safeguards. When entering production areas, safety shoes, safety glasses, bump caps, earplugs, and an identification badge are required 100% of the time. When entering brewing stockhouses, a personal CO2 monitor is required. For any questions about personal protective equipment or PPE, do not hesitate to ask your AB representative. Jewelry, such as rings, necklaces, earrings, bracelets, watches, or other objects in a shirt pocket are forbidden in all production areas. See the visitor induction brochure for additional good management practices for food safety requirements while working in the plant. While walking through the plant, always use the pedestrian walkways and crosswalks, as well as follow all safety signage. Be aware of fork trucks and carts at all times. Use mirrors at intersections and always make eye contact with drivers. The use of cell phones in production areas is restricted to pedestrian walkways. You are not allowed to use your phone while operating a vehicle or while walking. Only qualified and authorized people are allowed to drive mobile equipment within the facility. Please remember that the maximum speed allowed is 10 miles per hour and headlights of the vehicle must be turned on at all times. It is important you keep aisles and passageways unobstructed. There are special access requirements to enter the utilities and logistics areas. To enter the utilities area, you must first speak with the inside utility operator in the main utilities office, sign the logbook, and fill out the dry erase board. The warehouse is a restricted area, and in order to enter, you must notify the warehouse group manager, wear a high visibility vest, and be escorted. Also, the use of a pedestrian pushcart is required. At the Anheuser-Busch Houston Brewery, we have a well-trained group of first responders to assist you in any emergency situation while visiting. It is critical you communicate any safety or environmental emergency to plant security by using the emergency number 5250 from any phone inside the brewery, or 713-539-7546, or by notifying your AB contact person immediately. One of the fundamental safety procedures to be aware of is our brewery evacuation and emergency response plan. The following alarms may be seen or heard in the event of an emergency: fire alarm, ammonia alarm, CO2 alarm. Refer to the visitor's induction brochure you will receive after watching this video for evacuation and shelter-in-place locations. At the Anheuser-Busch Houston Brewery, we use some chemical products which can be potentially hazardous if proper procedures are not followed. Therefore, do not touch any chemicals during your visit unless you are authorized and trained to do so. Examples of these chemicals include ammonia, liquid and gas, CO2 or carbon dioxide, sulfuric acid, and sodium hydroxide or caustic. As beer is a natural product, a healthy environment is crucial to the brewing process, and Anheuser-Busch recognizes the huge opportunity we have to help protect the environment. Our 2025 sustainability goals focus on 4 key areas: renewable electricity and carbon reduction, water stewardship, smart agriculture, and circular packaging. During your visit, you will find recycling bins strategically placed throughout the plant for your use. The Houston Brewery, safety is priority over all production goals. We remind ourselves why we strive to work safe every day. For our family, for our friends, and for ourselves. Please do the same. Throughout your time at our brewery, please remember to comply with the SIF Prevention Golden Rules. Thank you for following all of our safety requirements and helping us promote a better world. Welcome to Anheuser-Busch. Have a safe and enjoyable experience.